are still in Disney, enjoying our vacation, and we are now checked in to Bay Lake Tower, which is a Disney Vacation Club property located at Disney's Contemporary Resort. So we have a deluxe studio, accessible with a roll-in shower. The deluxe studio, I'm going to give you a quick tour of this, and yeah, so let me figure out again how to switch, how to turn this around. Oh, here we go. All right, let's do it. All right, here we go. You can see my little one running out on our balcony. So this is right when you walk in, you see our stroller, and I'm going to bring you into the bathroom. It's the first room on the left. So here we go. It's an accessible room, remember, for a wheelchair. So it's a little dark, I apologize, just it's later in the day. So you have your shower, roll-in shower. Very important if you utilize a wheelchair. So here is your transfer bench. You roll the wheelchair right in, and there you go. And there is your shower. I read somewhere that the Disney resorts now have their soap dispensers and conditioners mounted on the wall, but we still have our little bottles there. So I love their soaps. They smell so yummy. Not yummy, but good. Yeah. So here's your sink. Again, it's accessible for a wheelchair. So underneath it's going to be right, so you can pull your chair right up to it. And there you go. And then we also have a bathtub in here as well. So it has both the shower and a bathtub. And some more soaps. Alrighty. Let's go over here. And you have it's a mini kitchenette. You have a toaster, you have a coffee pot, some paper towels, some cups. You have a microwave in here, which these are things that you don't necessarily have in your standard Disney resorts that are not Disney Vacation Club. So it's a nice little bonus. Here's our fridge, and I was going to open it, but I think I was opening it from the wrong way. So I'm not even going to open that. Oh no, here we go. Oh, you know what? I'm not going to open the fridge right now because, yeah. Okay, so here's a sink, and you have a cabinet right there. Very nice. You have a closet on this side. What's in the closet? This is a pack and play in here if you have a younger child with you. You have an iron, you have some extra bedding up there and an ironing board. All right. So now I'm going into the bedroom. We have a nice good sized TV and a dresser. You have a queen size bed in here. It's kind of a modern resort. You can tell with the Mickey artwork. Here's a sofa that opens up to a sleeper sofa. So my husband will be sleeping with one of the boys on there tonight. I get the bed. And you have a balcony over here. You have a really tiny table with my Starbucks, my vanilla latte. Need a little pick-me-up, so there we go. All right, I'm going to take you onto our balcony. Might get a little crazy and loud because I have my two kids, but there's something really cool out here I want to show you. All right, so here we are with my Lincoln and my Avery.
Hi. And the great view of Magic Kingdom. So, Mommy.
This is the view from our room, and even though we have a standard view, we requested a north-facing, even-numbered room, and this is what we get: a view of Cinderella Castle. So we will be able to see the fireworks right from our room, which is perfect for our Avery because he only likes quiet fireworks. Right, Avery?
Which are not loud fireworks that you can see.
Mommy.
Oh, and the sun's setting. Very nice.
Very nice sunset.
All right, so we're going to flip over And there we are. All right, so I hope you enjoyed our room tour. And follow along on Instagram. I've been sharing little clips about what we've been doing. I will put the link for my Instagram in the comments in case you're not already following. All right, so we will see you later. Enjoy your weekend, everyone. Bye from Disney World.